I'm gonna smell these two. I've never seen this brand before. Oh my, you cutie. So as you can see by the title, today we are going to be hygiene shopping at Dollar Tree. So you can already see the section we're in, and the reason why I chose to do body wash and like all this section first is because I already seen some nice new body washes right here I never seen before. Every single time I come into Dollar Tree, I never seen these body washes. I never actually talk about shampoo, but me personally, I would not want to buy my shampoo from Dollar Tree because y'all know it's a lot of washed down products here. So I wouldn't really suggest you get your shampoo and conditioner from Dollar Tree, but you can buy body wash, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, all of that, and we're going to get into that later on in the video. But right now we're going to look at the body wash. And so they have this coconut shea butter scent body wash. Oh, this is shampoo, babes. I thought this was this was body wash. Anyways, this is like all the shampoo. I thought this was body wash. All right, let's go. Now for the lotion, I'm not even gonna lie, I would not suggest this Dermal's original lotion right here for dry skin. It's watered down, don't get it. I wouldn't suggest this cocoa butter one or this aloe fresh or this lotion moisturizer because all of these are watered down. But what I will suggest is I will suggest Dove's Rich Nourishment Cream lotion right here. This is a Dove brand. Y'all know everything by Dove works so good. And this is like a creamy type of lotion. It has like a a really light scent smell, but they usually have like a rose smell over here, but I think people already took it already. So I like to get their Rich Nourishment Cream. This is Body Love. It's for your face and your body. Honestly, I have sensitive skin, so I wouldn't personally use this on my face, but I would definitely use this on my skin. So we're gonna get like 2 of these because this is a very small container. This is just $1.25. Dollar Tree moved up their prices from $1 to $1.25. They also got some $5 things, but we're not gonna really talk about that right now. We're just gonna talk about their creams. So yeah, this is 2.53 full ounces. So personally, what I would do is I would get at least like 4 of these, like if I don't want to keep coming back to restock, because you know every time you get out the shower or like throughout the day, you're gonna put on some lotion to keep your skin very smooth, and Dove do that for you. So what I would do is I would get a couple of these, and I would get my own little container inside of Dollar Tree and just scoop it out, put it in there, and you know, have me some nice little lotion. So we're gonna put this in here. And if you are a boy, they do have like men's scented lotion right here. This is an all-in-one care. This is a hydrating cream, face, hands, and body. It's the same thing, but they just call it hydrating cream. So now we're gonna move on to the deodorant. So they usually have the same scents here. They have Suave. Suave is probably the best brand to use at Dollar Tree. It is still like a very big brand, Suave. So, but it's just a smaller bag. So if you don't want to you know, get a big pack, you can just come to Dollar Tree, or if you just do that, stock up on Dollar Tree. So they got this powder fresh scent, and I love powdery scents, so I'm probably gonna get this one, but we're gonna smell them. They have this fresh vibe. This is Awesome Blossom. Have another fresh vibe. This is Berry Bliss, and they have a Lady Speed Stick. These are actually really good deodorants too. I like the liquid type of Lady Speed Stick rather than the dry one because I feel like it works better. So if you could ever find the liquid one, definitely get that one over the dry one. But I usually tend to get liquid deodorant. Only Lady Speed Stick is like a good liquid deodorant. But we're gonna smell these two, the Tropical Paradise and the powder. I'm probably gonna get the powder though. But yeah, for men they have the Speed Stick, and they have another Suave. This is Energizing Sports. Ooh, let's see if this one smells good. Also, I don't like to get aluminum free deodorant. They do have some deodorant over here without aluminum, so if you're one of those people that like aluminum free deodorant, you could definitely get it. And this is Rosemary plus Mint, but I simply don't like it because apparently aluminum free is supposed to help you stop sweating, but it just makes me sweat more, so I don't like it. But yeah, so we're gonna smell this one, the powder scent. Yeah, it smells really good. I love powdered everything scent. So yeah, and cocoa butter. This is Sweat and Odor Protection All Day Fresh. Yeah, I like this scent actually. We're probably gonna get this one. And I noticed that like men deodorant, it works way better than girl deodorant. So that's another thing. This is a 48-hour deodorant right here. This is a wood scent, and this is anti-perspirant deodorant. So we're gonna get it. Yep. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to soap. Y'all know I love to use Dove sensitive soap. Dove sensitive skin soap, but they don't have that here. They do have Dove soap here, so we're gonna get that. So here we go. They have two type of Dove soaps over here. They have a Dove men care soap, extra fresh, and they also have the original. The original smells really fresh. You know, it has like a nice soapy scent. I really like that, so I'll probably use this for my body. So we're gonna get it. Just gonna get one of those, and then we're gonna look what is like nice and sensitive for our face. So I have this oatmeal plus coconut. This is a plant-driven soap. This is vegans. It's a scented soap. Probably smells like coconut. Let's smell. Yeah, I like the scent. It smells really nice, but you know, we need to make sure it's sensitive for skin. Not really saying that. Let's move on. This is a fresh bar soap. I never seen a bar soap like this. This is cool looking. This is clean and fresh. Two bars inside. So I just need to see if they have any. Okay, this is a gentle cleanser. So this is by Yardley London Shaved Buttermilk Nurturing Bath Bar. It smells really nice. It doesn't really give like a shea butter scent, but it smells pretty good. So they said that this is a gentle soap, so we're gonna try this out. And I like to use two different soaps, like for my body and my face, because like I said, I have sensitive skin, and I definitely have like a sensitive face. You know, I break out a lot. So we're gonna try out this. Hopefully it does not break me out. This is something new I'm trying with y'all, so I'll tell y'all if this works. So let's get it. There we go. Another thing that I like to get whenever I come to Dollar Tree is I love to get their baby oil. Their baby oil works really, really well. What's that brand called, y'all? I forgot what it's called. I think it's called John John. I don't think it's called John. But y'all know who I was talking about. Their baby oil, it works so well. But Baby Love, this one right here by Personal Care, it works just the same. It doesn't really have a smell like the John one, but it does still work very good. And I like using baby oil like whenever I get out the shower. So like I like to use baby oil and lotion. So you already know I got me some nourishing cream right here, and I also got me some baby oil. They both work really, really well. We're also going to come down here. I like to get baby wipes. So they have a variety of baby wipes. People already took them, but they have Hugs right here, and this is non-scented. It's fragrance free. It's just $1.90. Well, no, not $1.90, but $1.25. How many do they have in here? Yeah, they have like 32 packs in here. I mean 32 wipes in here, which is really nice because it's not too. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're good. It's not too little, but it's like, it's a decent amount, you know what I mean? And if you need to get more, you can get more. But I love to use baby wipes, like, you know, whenever I be out, because, you know, it is summer, it's still really hot. Well, it's not really summer, we're gonna go back into school time, but, you know, baby wipes will be very good for whenever you're like on the run, or like if you're at school and you start sweating, you just need to like clean up a little bit and get you some baby wipes, and then you can use your deodorant. They also have a different type of baby wipes. This is a Fisher Price. These have more wipes in here, and are they scented? Let's see. Oh, these are soft, sensitive, and fragrance free. So these are more sensitive wipes if you have more sensitive skin, and then these are like still sensitive obviously, but we're not as sensitive. And these have more wipes in them than the Hugs, but I'm pretty sure Hugs brand is better because it is like a big brand. So Hugs is probably the better one to go with, so we're gonna get it. There we go. Oh yeah, I also want to get one of these facial rollers. I usually get one, but I need to get another one because it's always nice to get a new facial roller. I like to use these facial rollers because they like mold your face, you know what I mean? If you ever see those wall little rocks, this is like that, and basically it just shapes your face in a way, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get one. I need to get me one of those walkie rocks. I don't think that's what it's called, but I need to get me one of those because I need to upgrade it. Oh dang, this one's broken. I would have got this one and it's broke. Switch that out. We're gonna get it. I also like to have one of these exfoliator little bath mittens because they work really well. It really helps exfoliate your skin because y'all know over here at Dollar Tree they don't have a body scrub, and y'all know my favorite type of body scrub is Soap and Glory and also Tree Hut. But since they don't really have body scrubs over here, we're gonna get us a exfoliating bath mitten. I love the bath gloves, but as you can see over here they're all taken, so we won't be able to get a bath glove, but we can get a mitten. So they have different colors. They have pink and they have green, and the reason why I love these little exfoliating gloves is because it just really gets the dead skin off. You know, you don't want any dead skin on your body, and that helps. And y'all might be like, okay, why don't you get one of these loofah scrubbers? I don't like the loofah scrubbers because these like collect a lot of bacteria and everything. Ooh, this loofah scrubber is cool. It has like this little scrubber in the back. This is like a 2-in-1. That's really nice, but I don't really like loofah scrubbers because they contain so much like bacteria and stuff, because you know water, so it's like mold and everything. And with these mittens you can like throw it in the washer, clean it, stuff like that, and then it wouldn't hold bacteria like the loofahs, so that's why I don't get it. So we're gonna get it, yeah, we're gonna put both of these in our bag. Now we're finna go to the next section. Oh look y'all, they got edge brushes over here, so if you ever need the edge brush, there you go. Okay, so now we are in this section right here with all like the kind of teeth care. So they have some lip balm right here. There's some cocoa butter lip balm. Y'all know I love cocoa butter scent. This is a small lip balm, but you know at Dollar Tree everything's not gonna be like a big size because it is Dollar Tree. It's just $1.25. But I do definitely suggest you to get some cocoa butter lip balm, you know, for your lips, because you know you don't, if you wear lip gloss, you don't always wear lip gloss 24/7. You like to wear some lip balm, and I prefer cocoa butter lip balm. So we're gonna get some of that. You know, you should always use lip balm like in the morning or throughout the day so your lips don't stay ashy, because nobody like ashy lips. So yeah, they have some Grin. Oh my goodness, y'all know my favorite brand is literally Grin. They have some Grin floss. They also have some Eco Gang floss right here, and this is like a floss that is eco-friendly. They also have some Guru floss right here. This is a 2-in-1 floss. So they like have a pick for if you have braces, and they also have like the regular floss, which if you have braces you should might as well just get these type of flosses right here, because if you try to use like the regular floss on your braces, it's not going to efficiently floss your teeth good. So we're not going to get Guru because that's just 50 flosses. Grin has 60. They have the double line, they have the single line, and they have the smooth one right here. They also have kiddo ones, but we're just going to get the double line because it does double the job. It's 60 floss in here. It's also recyclable, so it's eco-friendly too, so we're going to get it. Yeah, and now we're gonna look at the toothpaste. So these are all the toothpaste they have. They have Colgate, they have I believe they have 3D White. Yeah, they have crushed 3D White right here. They have a sensitive toothpaste, and y'all, I love sensitive toothpaste because I do have sensitive gums. So if you're like me with sensitive gums, you probably want to get you some sensitive toothpaste. This is Extra Natural White. I never seen this brand before, but this is fluoride anti-cavity whitening toothpaste, so that's really nice. I like to get any toothpaste that's really whitening. If I did have to pick and tell y'all my favorite all-time toothpaste, it definitely has to be Crest Brilliant toothpaste. That's my favorite type of toothpaste. But we're gonna try out this sensitive fluoride whitening toothpaste. But if they didn't have this one, I would definitely suggest for you to get this Crest 3D White right here. But we're gonna try something new and try out this one. So we're gonna get it and put that in there. We're also gonna get us a toothbrush because you know you definitely need to change your toothbrush at least every 3 weeks. So they have these Guru ones. I like to get the soft. Ooh, they have extra soft. This is really, really good. So what you want to do is you always want to make sure that you either get a soft toothbrush or an extra soft toothbrush. The softer the toothbrush, the better for your teeth, because your teeth have this layer over your you know, you have this layer over your teeth. You don't want to get rid of that. You want to make sure you keep the layer, and the harder the brush is, the more you'll get rid of that layer. So we're gonna get us an extra soft bristle right here. They have a value pack, but that's for medium bristle. So we're just gonna get the single pack right here. This is extra soft, and honestly, y'all, whenever I use extra soft toothbrush, because toothbrush, because I have used Guru's toothbrush before. It feels way better, to be honest. So yeah, but what you want to do for your tongue is you want to get you a I'm sorry. What you want to do for your tongue is you want to get you a tongue scraper. So yeah, make sure you get that, but I don't think they have that here, so you'll just probably have to get that somewhere else. But yeah, we're gonna get it. And yeah, that's really it for my hygiene shopping video today. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below what else I should do for the channel. And peace out, guys.